everyone, this is Daylene Barton with naturalfertilityinfo.com. Today's topic is iron and fertility. We all know that during pregnancy iron is essential because our blood volume doubles during pregnancy, and we need iron for proper red blood cell formation. Red blood cells carry oxygen to all of our body parts, including our reproductive organs and that baby that's developing. But if we have low iron, this can also lead to some fertility problems, potential miscarriage cause, anovulation, which is a lack of ovulation, as well as poor egg health. So low iron levels can also affect our fertility negatively. So we're going to want to prepare in advance of pregnancy, making sure that we get adequate iron levels. So some signs that you may have low iron, which is also known as anemia, would be mild to severe fatigue is one of the very first signs. Chronic headache, brittle, weak nails, fingernails, a lack of appetite, and low blood pressure. So if you have any of these symptoms, you may want to see your doctor to get your iron levels tested. If you're already seeing a fertility doctor and they haven't tested your iron levels, something to think about, and ask them if you've been struggling to get pregnant. For general pregnancy preparation, you know that we all here support a nutrient-dense fertility diet. So I thought we could share some ways to get adequate amounts of iron through food first. This will help you to maintain adequate levels. Good for even if you're not iron deficient. So some great sources would be animal sources, which is known as heme iron, which are bison, chicken, eggs, salmon, and all red meats. Plant sources, which is non-heme iron, are blackstrap molasses, pumpkin and sunflower seeds, beets, asparagus, Turkish apricots, which are unsulfured and organic, all dark leafy greens, Swiss chard, kale, spinach. What else? Beans are a great one. So for iron to be properly absorbed into our bodies, we need some other nutrients and vitamins, and those are B12, folic acid, and vitamin C. And vitamin C really is the most important. So if you're eating an iron-rich food, make sure that it contains some vitamin C as well, or you're including a food that's rich in vitamin C as well. So for example, red pepper, strawberries, or oranges, any citrus fruit is high in vitamin C. Another great one that I think really helps to sustain iron levels as well as prepare the uterus, the liver and the kidneys, and the circulatory system for pregnancy is the nutritive pregnancy preparation tonic, I have a video on how to make it. I also have the recipe for it on the red raspberry leaf page at naturalfertilityinfo.com. So that includes red raspberry leaf, which is very high in iron, nettles, also very high in iron, dandelion leaf, great for liver support, oat straw, also great for nerve support and liver support, and hibiscus flower. And the hibiscus flower is very high in vitamin C, and so that's why that's included. It's to help with the proper absorption of the iron from the other iron-rich dark leafy greens that are in there, which are the red raspberry, nettles, and dandelion. So I will post a link to that video so you can learn how to make it. I recommend drinking 1 to 4 quarts a week minimum. Ideally, I like to try to get in a quart of a nutritive tonic a day, but I know that's not ideal for everybody. A great way to prepare is to buy a gallon canning jar that's glass if you want to make it for the week. Make it all at once, store it in the refrigerator, and then you can just drink it throughout the week. But if you can't do that, just buy a quart mason jar add some of the herbs in there, and you'll see that on the video. Steep it for 3 to 4 hours, strain off, and drink. Now, if you've been diagnosed with anemia already, you're definitely going to need to take an iron supplement. We sell an awesome one called Blood Builder, and it's in our Natural Fertility Shop, and I will post a link to that. It's made from beets as well as other whole foods, and it's great because it's 100% whole food, which means it can be absorbed easily by the body and it's assimilated easily by the body. One thing that I really love about Blood Builder is that it's non-constipating. When you get a prescription from your doctor, it often is constipating and is not 100% absorbed by the body. So that's why we love Blood Builder. It's 100% whole food, as I said. All of these things that I just talked about, all these foods, the nutritive pregnancy preparation tonic, and the Blood Builder are non-constipating, 100% absorbable, and actually aid in digestion. If you have anemia, please share with us ways that you've boosted your iron levels. If you suspect anemia and you have more questions, please post it to the video. Please also check out the links to the articles, the nutritive pregnancy preparation tonic video, the red raspberry leaf article, as well as check out our Blood Builder in our Natural Fertility Shop. I hope all of you have a wonderful day.